Welcome back to the third and final episode of our playlist on problem solving. This is the check episode. And in this episode, we've got our question, which we can review right here about Ginny. She bought a sandwich and a piece of fruit. And then the question was, what is the total amount Ginny paid for the sandwich and the fruit? So we tried two strategies in our solve phase in last episode. So we used diagrams using base 10 blocks to represent these two numbers, and then we added them up and we got $5.11. And then we wrote an addition sentence and then stacked those numbers in order for us to add them up a little bit easier, and we also got $5.11. So in the check phase, we are going to check our work. And that's kind of what we did in the solve one by solving it two different ways. We got 511 with a picture and also in using the standard algorithm by stacking the numbers over top. We are going to go back to the question, which we just read right here, and answer in a complete sentence. Ooh, so we need to do that still. And this is what we should think about in this episode. Did I answer the question? And does my answer make sense? And thinking about whether your answer makes sense, we're going to refer back to our estimate. So our estimate here showed us when we rounded the numbers to the nearest dollar, we got 4 plus 1 equals 5. Well, 5 is pretty close to our answer of 511. So that does seem reasonable. Now, let's check another way that we could verify our answer. So if 416 plus 95 cents is $5.11, what if we created another equation and did a subtraction question? We started with our total, $5.11 up here. And then what if we subtract the amount for the sandwich, $4.16? Well, wouldn't that leave us with just the price of the fruit? So let's give this a try. Well, we have 1 subtract 6. If we have 1, we don't have enough to subtract 6. So we have to ask our neighbor. Let's knock on the door. Oh, he has 1. And we can take 1 from here. So this will go to 0. And we'll make this into 11. 11 subtract 6 is 5. Now we have 0 subtract 1. Not enough again. Ask the neighbor. Take 1 from the neighbor. We're going to regroup. That goes down by 1. And we're going to put a 1 in front of this 0. Now is 10. 10 subtract 1 is 9. Decimal goes straight down below. It just stays in its line, vertical line. And now 4 subtract 4 is 0. So $0.95. Hey, isn't that the same cost of the fruit? Let's check. It is 95 cents. So this is another way to verify our answer, that we started with the total and we used subtraction to kind of go backwards. We subtracted the cost of the sandwich and we're left with the cost of the fruit. So that really helps give us confidence that we have gotten the right answer. And now we should answer in a complete sentence. What is the total amount Ginny paid for the sandwich and fruit? Well, let's start with Ginny paid $5.11 for the sandwich and the fruit. There you go. Now we have a complete answer, and we've checked it against different strategies and our estimate. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to talking about these kinds of questions in class and solving more problems together. Take care, everyone.